It might sound complicated, but a PHP-based open-source content management system is actually quite simple. Consider the open-source management platform WordPress as a piece of software that was developed to make it easier for individuals to create and edit their own websites. Start off by entering into your dashboard, which is where you'll be able to make changes to the appearance of your website as well as create new pages and blog posts, among other things. The fact that you do not need prior knowledge of coding in order to publish content on the internet is the fundamental advantage of utilizing the WordPress platform. The content of your posts and pages, as well as the user accounts and site URLs, are all stored in a database that is managed by WordPress. This database also stores your data. You don't need to worry about a thing thanks to it. Because of this, it is an extremely efficient and speedy method for publishing on the internet. When it comes to creating a new page on your website or a post for your blog, the content editor in WordPress is analogous to a regular desktop word processor in terms of its functionality. If you write text into WordPress, upload photographs, and then click the Publish button, WordPress will generate the HTML code required to display your content online. Importantly, using WordPress does not cost anything. There are no initial setup costs and no ongoing costs other than the cost of hosting. Because WordPress provides users with access to thousands of different plugins and themes, it is often recognized as one of the best ways for companies to construct websites that are truly unique to their operations. An intuitive user interface is provided by a content management system, CMS, which enables users to easily contribute to and modify material on a website. The content management system of a WordPress website is used to develop and optimize all of the website's content, including both the text and the graphic aspects. Customers are given the power to change the presentation of their digital content using this one piece of software, which serves as the central component of a website and eliminates the necessity of having technical expertise. You can design your own website with the same do-it-yourself fervor with which you administer it if you use content management system software. You will no longer have to wait for programmers to update your pages or fix a little issue. Instead, you will be able to publish and edit the content of your pages on your own. This approach will save you both time and money while also providing you with full control over your website. The WordPress platform can be used for either personal or business purposes completely free of charge and without any restrictions. Because it is entirely maintained by volunteers who are contributing to an open source project, this program can be downloaded for free. Open source software is distinguished from other tangible products by the fact that neither a company nor an individual owns WordPress. As a result, its upkeep, support, and further growth are completely reliant on the contributions of volunteers. Because they believe in the significance of the function that WordPress fulfills, each and every member of the WordPress community, from nascent programmers to ambitious designers, offers their services to other users of WordPress without charge. WordPress provides business owners, bloggers, and publishers with a platform that enables them to develop, publish, and manage their content. Because of its user-friendly interface, WordPress is ideally suited for users who have more experience working with word processors than with FTP tools or manually coding websites. The ability to be used is just the beginning. You are able to design a website that is unmistakably yours because to the tens of thousands of themes, plugins, and widgets that have been made available by developers for WordPress. Because of its user-friendly design, WordPress makes it easy for anyone to publish a website that is accessible via the internet. No matter how proficient you are with computers, you won't have a hard time getting started with this. There aren't many hurdles. The WordPress platform was developed with the intention of removing barriers to digital publishing that are experienced by business owners and authors. It is not only strong, but also loaded with features that are appealing to users of all experience levels, from beginners to specialists. Because everything is done within the browser, advanced technological abilities are not required to upload and alter content with this application. Additionally, there is no need to download anything because the program handles everything on its own. If you are able to manage your website on your own, you will not have to pay for the services of webmasters because you will not need their services. If you want to reduce the amount of work that you need to perform, You might even consider delegating the management of the website or some of the content to a number of different people. Branding is more crucial than it has ever been, and your website should portray both you and your organization in the most positive light possible. You are in luck because WordPress offers a large variety of themes and widgets that can be applied to your websites in order to give them a one-of-a-kind appearance and atmosphere. Your audience will be drawn in by the beautifully designed pages of your website, which will pique their interest in the material that you present. Utilizing a WordPress theme that was developed by a professional developer gives your website an air of professionalism and completeness. It is crucial to have a striking and consistent style in order to transmit the image of your company and differentiate yourself from the other businesses in your industry. The addition of one can be as easy as choosing a new skin for your phone, but it will have a significant impact on the allure of your website. There are options available for each and every kind of website, whether you are a tech blogger operating an affiliate website or a neighborhood bookstore that wants to keep its clients informed of the latest happenings in the industry. Plugins are exactly what they sound like, little bits of software that you plug into your WordPress installation to increase its capabilities. There are thousands of plugins available to choose from. At the time this article was written, WordPress provided 51,000 different ways to extend the functionality of your WordPress website or add new features to it. These add-ons include everything from helpful plugins that guard your website against spam to add-ons that allow you to monitor your visitor counts and create forms. You don't even need to know a single line of code to incorporate them, all you have to do is pick the functions whose names sound appealing to you. Do you want a calendar of events on your website? There is an application program for that. There are many different kinds of widgets, and each one serves a specific purpose to enhance the experience of using the product as a whole. Pick from among the available on-page features, such as a navigation menu, search bar, or a menu, to present the most current blog post you've published. The placement of widgets on a page can change depending on the theme being used. I do the work necessary to make millions of dollars. Millions of dollars are within my reach. I learn the secrets of millionaires. I do what millionaires do. My mind is a money magnet. My mind is focused and sharp. I am attracting millions of dollars through all the value I create. I create valuable content that everybody loves. The more value I give to others, the more money I make. I am adding rich friends to my network of contacts. I network with successful people. My mind is absorbing new and profitable knowledge. My mind is a magnet to money. I am quickly becoming a money expert. I study about ways to get rich.